Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, as I already promised you that in this session we are going to see some programs on tuple dictionary, then we will go with set. Okay, so first of all, let's create a no, not create, let's convert tuple to string, whether it is possible or not. Yes, possible. A tuple can be converted to string. How? Is very simple. Suppose create a tuple, maybe tup. Suppose I am giving the letters of my name. Let's make it more. And I am just doing something, just let's see what I am doing. Dot join is a function. I am just doing that and I am printing str1. Hope I am right. Fine. Yeah, see, it was a tuple with the letters from my name, M, O, U, like that. After that, I'm using a function join of string. But as I want to convert this tuple to string, so obviously I am adding this join with a blank string first, and I'm passing this tuple to inside join, and I'm printing this and getting this one. So it was M, O, U separately. Now we are getting this one. So yes, you can convert tuple to string also. Okay, in tuples actually we can't do much more things, because as you know that tuples are immutable, so you can do many things in tuple. Tuple is a very simple concept, but yes, we can do many things with dictionary. So let's do some programs on dictionary. Let's do. Now suppose find the write a program, better to write a program to create a dictionary with keys between 1 to suppose 15. The key should be between 1 to 15, and values are square of key. Suppose values are square of keys. Suppose write a program to create a dictionary whose keys will be between 1 to 15 and the values will be the square of the keys. Just pause the video for a moment and think how you can write. Then again resume and see what I am doing. But do that thing. Pause for a moment and see how can, or just think how can you do. What should be your approach? Because you have done dictionary, so obviously you can give some approach at least. Then resume the video and see how I am doing, but at least try by yourself. Okay, now I am doing, suppose let me create a dictionary, blank dictionary with this. Then suppose for x I am writing a program for x in suppose range, and inside the range I am passing 1 comma 16, because the key should be starting from 1 to 15. So suppose I am giving the range as 1 to 16, and of d of x I am writing suppose equal to x double star 2. Double star is the power in Python. Done. Because my question was keys should be between 1 to 15 and the values are square of the keys. So I am iterating a loop which starts from 1, it will goes up to 15, and on this particular blank dictionary I am passing x. First time 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and d of x inside this, that means it will be behaving as a key. Inside this I am passing the square of the x, that means if d of 1, then 1 square, then if it is d of 2, then 2 square, like that. Done. Now you just print your d, print this d, you will get the answer. See, 1 1, then 2 2, sorry 2 4, then 3 9, key is the 3, then square is the value. That is my question was actually. Okay, so this is how you can write down the programs. For example, write down another program. For example, short dictionary by value. Sort the dictionary by value, obviously, because dictionary is a key value pair. So if you want to sort this, obviously you need to tell now with what you want to sort, whether with respect to key or with respect to value or what. So there is a different way of sorting the dictionary. Let me write down the code and you just see how I am writing. Suppose I am using a function, as all of you have done the function, so you can understand what is the function concept of. So I am using a function and give the name of the function as suppose short dictionary. So short dc suppose by value, or you can give any name of your choice, by value, and I am passing some arguments also d, as well as I am doing another argument as reverse, suppose equal to I am passing false. Why I am passing, I am telling you, just wait a minute. And inside this I am just returning wait a minute, I am just returning first of all sorted. So now hold on, sorted is a predefined function of Python. It can be applied on list, tuple, dictionary, set, anywhere. Function, it's not related to dictionary, it can be anywhere you can use. So sorted is a function, from the name you can understand, which will sort by default in ascending order, and maybe list or dictionary or whatever. So I am using that function. Inside sorted function I am suppose passing, as it is a function like this should be there, inside this I am suppose passing items. Just in the previous video I have shown you already that if you click on d.items, then you will get the items of the dictionary in a list format. Items of the dictionary in a list format. You can go above and also just do something like this. If you forgot the things, d.items if I call, then it will give you something like this, list format, the values of the dictionary 1 1 2 4 like that. So I am passing that items, means I am passing one by one, this one first, this one, then this one, like that. And after that I am using some concept called key equal to. This is a concept of obviously the sorted function, key equal to, and inside this key suppose I am writing lambda function, which also you have done, lambda colon x of 1, and also I am writing reverse equal to reverse. Now what is that? This reverse is this one. You can give this reverse as any name, maybe maybe make it as r, don't get confused, make it as r, then this is r. Now what is this actually? Whenever I am calling this function, I am passing a dictionary, and this is a default argument, r is a default argument where I have passed a boolean value false. That means whenever I am passing a normal dictionary, it will take the value as false. But if I am passing a dictionary as well as I am passing reverse is equal to suppose true, then it will take this value as true. That means if this is false, it will reverse it will sort in ascending order. If it is false true, it will sort in descending order. That is the concept. Okay, and what is this key? This key is because my question was sort the dictionary by value, and whenever you are calling these items, the value is at the 1 position of this tuple. This is actually a tuple, and this is the 0th index, and this is the 1 index of the tuple, and the value is actually at the 1 index. So I am passing all the values. See, x of 1, who will be your x? X will be the key. Key means the x, the 1 position, whatever values you are going to pass. This is the first value, this is the second value, whatever values. From this value, take the first index value, which is obviously the value, and it will sort the element with respect to this key, because key is a argument of sorted, which will take the concept whatever you are giving here, and it will sort with respect to that key only. If you are passing your x of 0, it will sort with respect to that key. Okay, done. This is the function. Suppose now suppose I am printing something, suppose print original dictionary, suppose original dictionary, and I have to pass the dictionary first of all. Suppose my dictionary is colors is a dictionary, and I'm passing something like, suppose red colon 1, suppose green colon 5, anything you can pass, like blue. Suppose I'm just numbering the colors. Blue colon, suppose 3, then suppose black colon is 1, then 2, then suppose yellow, sorry, these are the key, the color name are the key, and something are the values. Okay, 1 2 3, suppose yellow is 4, done. Okay, then I am suppose printing normally the colors, and suppose next I am printing in ascending order, and for this I am just calling this particular function by passing only the dictionary, done. Then the same thing I will copy and paste just here and make it as descending order, and whenever you want for the descending order, pass this as true. This true will go to the second, which is by default argument. By default it will take as a false, but if I am passing true, it will be taken as a true, and true means it will be in a descending order. Okay, so if you run this, you will get the answer. See, this is the original dictionary, which is in a normal whatever format you have given. This is in ascending order. See, ascending order of values, so 1 2 3 4 5. This is in descending order, 5 4, like that. But hold on, this is not a dictionary. This is not a dictionary, this is a list. But obviously I want a dictionary as a output. Very true, na? Because I want to sort my dictionary, so I want the output as a dictionary also. Don't need to worry, just go to this function, and inside this just convert this to dictionary. Your job done. Now you are getting the answer as this. Okay, this is how you can sort the dictionary. Let us merge to dictionary. Suppose for this I am creating one dictionary, suppose D1, which is maybe A is, create any dictionary of your choice, does not matter at all. Suppose B is equal to 200, this is D1. Then suppose D2 is suppose X is equal to 300, then Y is equal to 400, and I want to merge. So it's very simple. Suppose I am creating a third dictionary, suppose D or anything, D4, D is already there, D4, where I am copying this D1 dot copy. That means in the previous video we have already seen that if I am doing that D1 dot copy, then it is just copying the D1 dictionary to D4. Okay, just it is copying. After that, in D4 dot update means adding at the end, so D4 dot update, and I am passing suppose D2. Then first of all D1 will be copied to D4, and in D4 I am updating this D2. So it will be, if you now print your D4, you will get the output as this one, merge. Okay, merging done. This is how you can merge to dictionary. Now you can just see, if suppose the keys are same, suppose this key is not A, this is suppose X, then also it will merge, no issue. Only the things is that you know that keys should not be duplicated, so it will not duplicate. It will take this 300, because in that situation the later value will be updated. So if you run this and run this, you will get X value as 300, because this last value will be updated. Okay, this is how you can work with the dictionary. Okay everyone, so in the next video we are going to see the concept of set and how to use the set. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much.